So I'm in the middle of my monogram, and it is a perfect time to discuss free will. So suppose that process 1 happens at T1, and process 2 happens at T2, and T1 is smaller than T2. So T1 precedes T2, process 1 precedes T2, process 2, and under such circumstances, you would typically associate the free will decision-making process with process 1 happening at T1 earlier than what's happening at T2, process 2, which would be regarded as a result. But if you take Benjamin Libet's experiment and other data seriously, there's a possibility under certain conditions that actually process 2 happening at T2 would be associated with the feeling of free will, this grand illusion that you are making a free choice on your own. Because, quite often what we have as a feeling of free will is a result of accounting for something that has happened already. It's just a storytelling. It's a grand illusion that you make after the event. So it's quite possible that free will is associated with process 2 at T2, which actually happens after the result of the free will decision making at T1 in process 1. So if you look at free will this way, the temporality associated with free will will be quite reverse of what would typically assume, and I suspect that it is actually what's happening quite often in our brain. Here we go. I go for run again. I made that conscious decision right now, but actually it might be accounting for after the event.